Real eclairs or that new shit that's going around? That fucking chocolate on top of a dick shit that's been going around. Are they real eclairs? I got baited the first time, but I ain't falling for that again. Now I have No Pants taste test eclairs before I have them. Just in case, you know? If he likes them, that's how you know this has to be a dick with chocolate on top. You know? Suck test. Suck test. Thanks, car audio caca. Cool name, man. Are you from Pakistan?